There are a variety of reasons why there might be a truck collision on the highways of Texas. They generally fall into two broad categories. One would be maintenance of the vehicles themselves. We've handled cases where tires have not been properly replaced or brakes have not been checked before the trucks go out on the road. Faulty brakes lead to an accident, or even some structural problems with the truck. I handled a case in West Texas on a big truck where a weld on a leaf spring came loose and caused a rollover accident and serious injuries. The other big category of truck wreck cases are just the same as car wrecks, which is someone's failed to follow the rules of the road, didn't stop for a stop sign, disregarded a signal, changed lanes when it wasn't safe. And the issue with commercial vehicles, large commercial carrier vehicles or 18 wheelers, is they're very, very large vehicles and they generate a lot of energy. And when something goes wrong and there's a collision, there's normally catastrophic injuries. Unfortunately, many of the people that we represent have been killed, represent families of people who have unfortunately been killed or seriously critically injured in these types of accidents.